Straight run by Nightingale. Nightingale's still going. He's got no one in front of him. Out for Nightingale, who'll score for St George Illawarra. They keep pumping away, and Nightingale. The ball to Nightingale.
He makes a lot of big plays, Nightingale, doesn't he? A lot of big plays.
You just seem hard to tackle. What is it? Why can't people tackle you?
This is a bit of unorthodoxness, a bit of different and a bit of extra movement, different flexibility and a bit of strength, I suppose, as well.
Oh, he's ungainly.
Ungainly, okay, that's the word.
Every time he runs, I think he's going to fall over, but he keeps running.
Mark Gasnier was saying he's the strongest man at the club.